Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove duplicate bank feed transactions in QuickBooks Online. Duplicate bank feed transactions can be a real headache in QuickBooks Online. They can lead to inaccurate financial records, discrepancies in your accounting, and ultimately, a misleading picture of your business's financial health. When your financial records aren't accurate, it not only affects your financial statements, but can also cause compliance issues with generally accepted accounting principles. Now let's dive right into the process to ensure your books are clean and precise. Step 1. Logging in. First, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online using your credentials. If you're new to QuickBooks, make sure to select a plan that suits your business needs. Once you're logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to set everything up, and you're all set to get started. Step 2. Identifying duplicate transactions. Removing duplicate transactions is vital for maintaining accurate financial records. Not only does it streamline the reconciliation process, but it also saves you valuable time and effort that could be directed towards more critical business tasks. There are two main approaches you can take to remove duplicates. Option 1. Go directly to the bank transactions. Scrutinize these transactions to identify any entries that appear twice. This method is straightforward, especially if you have a few transactions to review. Option 2. Check your sales records. Head over to the All Sales section, where you will find a list of all your invoices and customer transactions. This method is beneficial if you have a large volume of transactions and need to cross-reference with your sales data. For instance, let's say you notice duplicate entries in your bank transactions. These duplicates can inflate your accounting records, making them inaccurate. By removing them, you'll significantly reduce the risk of errors and ensure the integrity of your data. Step 3. Verify before deleting. Before you delete any suspected duplicate, it's essential to double-check the details. Navigate to the suspected duplicate entry. Then click on Edit to review the information. This step is crucial to ensure that all the data complies with accounting standards and is indeed a duplicate. Once confirmed, you can proceed to delete the duplicate entry by simply clicking on Delete. Step 4. Seek help if needed. If you encounter any issues during this process or if QuickBooks Online is not cooperating, don't hesitate to reach out for support. QuickBooks offers customer support services that can assist you with any complexities. You can contact them via the support page, where you'll find contact numbers and available times to speak with an agent who can guide you through any difficulties. You now have a better understanding of how to remove duplicate bank feed transactions in QuickBooks Online. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.